tug aircraft. You need somebody to fly the glider, operate the winch if there is one, or the bungee rope if you're doing a bungee launch. But it's a great way to get involved with aviation. Economically, it's a great way to learn the basics of flying. And lots of clubs around the country that would be only too pleased to welcome you. One of the things for increasingly, I think it's sort of aviation widely, is attracting younger people to take an interest in all matters aviation, guys at a younger age.
I thought that,
the configuration that she was back in the 1939 long distance attempt between London and Cape Town, displayed as part of the Shuttleworth Collection. First flown, having been designed and built by Gloster in 1934, it was the first RAF fighter with an enclosed cockpit, and the last bipod fighter in service with the RAF, and frankly it was obsolete by RAF hostilities in 1939. But it gave rise to the myth, as it were, of faith, hope and charity. 830 horsepower Bristol Mercury engine up front on the Gloucester Gladiator. We'll see the Glad again in a few minutes' time. However, derived from the Hart Day bomber, the Demon, two-seater fighter, some 304 of these built by Hawker, and if you look side on at the fuselage, you can see the heritage of the Hurricane, which came after it, very clearly defined in that fuselage shape.
But it highlighted one particular point that the optics symbols over 200 miles an hour. If you've got gunner facing you, trying to manoeuvre the gun, the gun itself becomes effectively a rudder for the aircraft, and therefore it changes the way the aircraft behaves. And they tried various things to minimise this.
There's a close association between the motor industry and aviation, and it was in fact to the motor industry that Hawker turned. They went to the Fraser Nash car company and developed a retractable windshield that could be wound up or wound down as required to get round the slipstream problems for the operators of the Demon, principally the Royal Air Force and the Royal Australian Air Force.
Slaps it down, yes.
Unusual for a biplane that the Gladiator had flaps on both the upper and the lower wing surfaces.
Where was the first RAF fighter to have flaps? So that's Frank Chapman safely back to Earth. Probably a bit disappointed. In fact, very much looking forward to
the age of these aircraft, they're required to keep in compliant condition. This has happened from time to time. Each aircraft during the display is given a set period of time for their display elements to be demonstrated to as second by second, the pilots are monitoring everything. If they're not happy, they return to the runway.
We've got a Hawk behind which will be flying next year. The island was frozen but also very briefly.
Down she comes. Those interwar biplanes by Hawker, lovely looking aircraft.
Yeah, it's very graceful design. And Hawker produced a special fitting for most of his metal parts, didn't he? There's a box fitting on the end of a tube which would add to the strength of the joints. And it sounds sort of a minor thing, but of course it was a major weight saving and increased and improved the performance of the aircraft. Okay, well our next display is getting ready to go. These two charming little aircraft, what are they? They look like tiger.